Are you a homesteader like we are? You got chickens, you got chicks, you got goats, you got pigs, maybe even a cow or two. You got feed everywhere. Occasionally you have a little rodent in the barn, and the missus does not like that. So I partnered with this company called WOWCatch. We're going to try out these glue strips. I'm going to put a couple of them in the barn and a couple of them in another location. We'll go down there and look at it, and we'll monitor them and see how they do. It's supposed to have a bait, and they get mouses, spiders, crickets, roaches, snakes. So they're supposed to have a glue strip, and they're supposed to have a little scent to them that encourages them to come there. So I'm gonna put a couple in the barn, and we'll go down to the other location, we'll look at it, and then we'll come back tomorrow and see if we caught anything. So I'm down here at our tomato high tunnel, and we're gonna start cleaning this out next week, into next week or a week after that maybe. And I just happened to see a little critter in there, and I don't want to tell her about it, my wife, because if she sees it, I'll be there and clean it up by myself. So, you know what I'm gonna do? Put a couple of these down here and see how they do. So, and there'll be a link down in the description how you can order these, but they come like this. You just pull it apart. It's got the glue right there. This is 2, so I'm gonna tear this one apart. So I have 2. Put them right here in this high tunnel. We'll come back down here tomorrow and see how it works. Oh, it's been about 3 nights, I think, since I put those glue traps up there at the barn. I put some down here at the high tunnel. And first night I caught a little old mouse. I just put it kind of in the row in their runway where I kind of knew where they'd run, and caught one. I think I went a night, didn't catch anything, so it's probably been 4 nights. Then I caught another little old mouse, and there's one I'd seen up there. It's still a mouse, but it's pretty good size, so I took it, and I took the trap, and right in the center here I put a little bit of peanut butter, and I caught that one. And then I got a buzzed out picture of it. It's pretty big. It's probably about, yeah, it's probably about that big. So I got it right now. I'm gonna show you a picture of it. You can see that these things work pretty good, and I want to show you how sticky this thing is. I put the ones I put in here, they didn't catch a mouse, but my gosh, it's the bugs they caught. I mean, it's just covered, you know, side to side with cover. I mean, with bugs. But look how sticky this stuff is. Look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I ain't getting off that. Look at that. One thing I like about these better than, like I said before, guy hire where I used to work, the exterminator, he would use glue strips, but they were about, you can see how these are probably what, 5 inches long. These were about this long, and they didn't seem that sticky. They wouldn't catch bugs. Look at that. Look how sticky that is. That's what I like about this. If you got one that you can't get, put a little peanut butter on that in that center. That's how I caught that big one, because when I say big one, you know what I'm talking about, like that. Bigger mouse that I seen a time or two. That's one I really wanted to get. The other 2 were kind of like a bonus. But I put a little peanut butter on it and caught it right off. All right, so I'm pretty happy with these things. WOWCatch glue traps. They're fairly expensive. Like this come with 16. And I used them everywhere in the garage. I got them set up in the garage. I got them in the high tunnel. Got them at the barn. If you're a homesteader, you got chickens and stuff, you know, all kinds of animals. Put a few of these out if you get a little squeamish. Like, and if you don't like me, you know, you don't want to poison. Because I seen a cat running around here just the other day, so I don't want it to, I don't know if it affected or not, so, but I don't want to take that chance. All right, there you go. There's my review. I like them pretty good. WOWCatch glue traps.